Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fuse multiple images into one brand new picture using Google Gemini Nano Banana powered by Nano Banana. This tool lets you instantly edit and merge photos with just a simple prompt. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Google Gemini app. You can use either the web versions or the mobile app. And if you don't have the app yet, just go to the Google Play Store and then search for Gemini and then install it. Then just log in with your Google account, and once you're inside, just tap on create image, or you can just head over to the tool sections or tools icon, this one, and then just choose create images like this. This feature powered by Nano Banana, which is Google newest AI feature for fast image editing. And then just next upload the photos you want to fuse. You can select 2, 3, or even more pictures. This will all combine into your new image. Just tap on plus button and then upload your files like this. And then next it's time to write your prompt. Before I already made my prompt like this. Like this. You can just copy this prompt if you like, or just feel free to experiment and make your own. I will copy my prompt and then go back to your Gemini and then paste it, and then just tidy up the prompt. For example like this, and when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this, in just a few moments, your new fuse image is here. You will see how the AI blends all your uploaded photos into a completely fresh design or fresh photo like this. And honestly, it's so realistic, and the result is super good. And okay, that's it. Super quick and super easy. Now you know how to do image fusions with Nano Banana in Gemini. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.